Hello there! Today we are going to make our favorite thing, which is a lollipop. So let's open our book and see this. Well, we see a very interesting lollipop right here. Let's follow the steps and start making our lollipop. At first, we are going to make a very big circle. That's right. It is easy for us to make the circle now as we know how to make it. At first, we need to make a C and then another C but the other way round and then join it. Make sure you make the C on the right top corner of your box so that it is easy for you to make the lollipop's bottom and the stick which is in slanting line. Once we are done with this bottom part, we are going to make a slanting line, for which we are going to draw a dot. After drawing a dot, we will make another dot and then join it. Let's make this design on top of the lollipop wrapper. This looks so amazing. Let's make this bottom part now. Yes, we are going to make 3 drop figures right here. Once we are done with that, we are going to start sketching it. So how do we sketch it? With a black sketch pen. Make sure you keep your book however you're comfortable with and start sketching. You can also revise the pencil marks a little with your sketch pen if you feel that the drawing is not up to the mark. So, it is not always necessary to go on top of the pencil marks. Once we are done with this, we are going to make the stick. Go very slow while making the stick and complete the entire picture. This looks lovely. Now, we are going to take our eraser and start erasing all the pencil marks we see. This is great. Once we are done erasing all the pencil marks, it's time for us to color. So, let's grab our favorite colors and start coloring. At first, we are going to take pink color. Well, these lines are very thin, so we have to make sure that we color them very carefully. Also, we are going to color this pink color in alternate lines, which are leaving one line in the middle and coloring the next one with the same color. Now it's time for us to take yellow color and look at this beautiful combination. The colors look so vibrant and pretty, isn't it? Let's color the alternate lines with yellow color now. This is brilliant. Do not keep any white spaces here, okay? If you feel that you need a pointed part of your crayon to color this small part, then turn your crayon and start coloring. Let's color these drops with pink color. This is so pretty. After that, we are going to take our purple color or lavender color and start coloring inside the stick. The lollipop looks so tasty, isn't it? I feel like eating it. This is amazing.